To begin with, Revolut batch payments allow you to make multiple payments at once, saving you time and effort. This feature is particularly useful for businesses or individuals who need to process a large number of transactions regularly. First, you need to log into your Revolut account and navigate to the Payments section. From there, select the Batch Payments option, which will take you to a new page where you can upload your payment files. You can upload a CSV file containing all the payment details, including the recipient's name, account number, and amount. Make sure the file is in the correct format, as specified by Revolut, to avoid any errors. Once you have uploaded the file, review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. You can also add or edit payments at this stage if needed. After verifying the payments, you will be prompted to confirm and authorize the transactions. This is an important step, as it ensures that the payments are processed correctly and securely. Once you have confirmed the payments, Revolut will process them in batches, and you will receive a confirmation email with the payment receipts. You can also track the status of your payments in the Revolut dashboard. It is essential to note that batch payments are subject to Revolut's terms and conditions, including any applicable fees and limits. Therefore, it is crucial to review these terms before making any transactions. To get the most out of Revolut batch payments, it is recommended that you use this feature regularly to streamline your payment processes. You can also set up recurring payments and automate your transactions to save even more time. In conclusion, Revolut batch payments offer a convenient and efficient way to manage multiple transactions at once. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most out of this feature and simplify your payment processes.